Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel Tech Quest. I'm back with a new video, and in this video I'll be showing you the steps on how you can delete your Venmo account permanently. So make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instructions as guided. So then let's get started. So in order to delete your Venmo account, first thing you need to log in into your Venmo account. So for that, open up your web browser and then on the search box type in www.venmo.com. You can also find a login link on my description box below. And after you're logged into your account, you'll be directed to the home page, and on this page you'll be able to see a settings tab in the top right corner of your screen. As you click on the settings tab, next you'll be directed to the settings page, and on this page you need to scroll down right to the bottom, and then in the bottom left corner of your screen you'll be able to see an option as close my Venmo account. So then click on it. So in order to proceed on with the deletion, you need to tap on next. If you want to save the transaction history, then you need to tap on download CSV, which is right at the bottom. And after that, you'll be able to download the document or the transaction history of Venmo. And after that, once again, you need to review it. So make sure to go through it and then tap on next. And after that, you need to double check all of the information. And if you're sure about it, tap on confirm. And then you've successfully deleted your Venmo account. And that is how you can delete your Venmo account permanently. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.